If you are using personal ad account to run advert on Facebook, you must have noticed that it is not easy to create pixel in the personal ad account right now. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your pixel in personal ad account, not business manager.
Hi, don't forget to share, like and share this video so that others can as well learn.
So before I proceed to show you the process, let's get over to our business manager so that you can see. Let's get over to the personal ad account so that you can see what I am talking about. Meanwhile, in case you don't know what is pixel, pixel is that code that enables you to track all events in your website. If someone has become has purchased from you, maybe someone placed an order, anything the person does on your website, it is with the help of a pixel that you can track that event. You can only do that when you have installed it in your website. So if you are running an advert to a website, you need to install a pixel in that website. So in this particular video, I will show you how you can use the personal ad account, how you can create a pixel inside the personal ad account, because it is somehow technical, or maybe Facebook just disabled the option. Before now it was there, maybe in the future it will be back, but right now there is no option where you can create. It is the only option available is on app. Meanwhile, let's get over to our event manager so that you can see what we are talking about. Let's enter from here. So let's get in. Let's see, let's just ignore this. So get over to all tools, then event manager, all tools, event manager. I believe that you already know that the best way or where to create your pixel is inside event manager. But since the update that Facebook does, each time you come to your event manager in a personal ad account, this is personal ad account. In this account, there is no business manager. Meanwhile, in case you are thinking, how do you differentiate the personal ad account with a business manager ad account? Now, look at this. You can see this is the name of this account I'm using, Michael Tom. You can see this is the ad account code. Now this account name comes with the profile name. I did not name it. It just come naturally. So this particular ad account is comes automatic. I did not name it. But if you are creating ad account inside Business Manager, you will decide the name you will use. So in this case, this account does not even have a business manager as of now. So the only ad account available I can use to run advert is this particular one. Now, let's get over to what we were saying. Now, before now, what you need to do is just to click on connect data sources. That is the plus sign there. Now you can see that when it is on the web here, it is not highlighted, so you cannot do anything here. But it's the only option here is on the app. This one offline. All these other ones are not highlighted. So now this becomes a problem for us. This situation now is a problem for us because at the start now, we cannot create our pixel. So in this case, what do we do? Well, what we do is very simple. What you need to do, we are coming back here. Let's get back to our ad manager. From our ad manager, what we need to do is to create a campaign. I believe you already know what is a campaign. So, but in this campaign, we can just call it a demo campaign. We are not going to publish it, and we are not even going to configure it for anything. The only purpose why we are creating it is for us to use it to create the ad account. So what we need to do is to click on create campaign. You can see the create now. Create campaign. So now we have to choose a particular type of campaign we want to run. But remember, this is just a demo campaign. You are not going to publish it. So for the purpose of this, let's just go for sales campaign. Sales campaign, then click on continue. Now, this advantage plus shopping campaign, don't choose that option. Let's do it manually. So you choose the manual setup, click on continue. Let's proceed. Now that we are here, I believe that you already know the layers of a campaign. So we have the campaign, the asset, and the ad itself. But we are going to work on the asset. So just head over, select the asset. You can either select it from this top or from the side here. Either way, they are the same. All what we need to do is for us to be on the asset layer. So scroll down, look for where you are supposed to choose a particular pixel for your advert. Now this is the place. Now is the performance goal. Under this pixel, this where you have to create. You can see the create is already waiting for you. Now supposing you have another campaign and suppose you have another pixel inside this particular account, all what you need to do is look for create option. That is, you need to create new one. Maybe you want to create another pixel, you have a pixel already, you want to just maybe have two of it, or maybe you just bought another domain, you want to install another pixel there, so you can just come here and then create a new one. So since we do not have any pixel here, so we are going to create a new one. All what you need to do is to click on this create pixel here. Choose a name for your pixel. Always choose a name you will remember. For the purpose of this particular training, we are using the Jerry pixel. So Jerry pixel 1. Let's go that way because I decided to have another pixel in this. Jerry pixel 1. After that, click on create pixel. Click on create pixel. You can see our pixel is ready. So that's the only thing you have to do here. When you are here, the only thing you have to do is to put in your pixel name, then click on create pixel. Cancel every other thing. Just cancel every other pop-up that might arrive. That is one thing I did there. So after that, get back to event manager to do your setup, to install it and all that. All you need to do is to get back to your event manager. So from here, just go from here, go to all tools, then event manager. Remember, that is where we have to set up our pixel, get the code, go to our website and embed it there so that it will be able to track all our events. Now this is the pixel we just created. The name is Jerry Pixel 1. Remember, that was the name we used, Jerry Pixel 1. So click on it. You can see immediately we get here. Immediately we get that the pixel was already there waiting for us. Immediately we get to the event manager. After that phrase that you can see, when we get to the event manager, this is the overview. The overview of the event manager. I'm repeating this so that you not get confused. Overview of the event manager. You can see our pixel is here. This is the name we choose. So all what you need to do is to click on that, on the name, and on it. It loads up data sources. Now you can see this is where we now get to continue to install our pixel. So from here you can choose any method you want to install it. Either you want to install it manually or you want to use a partner. I will check for a partner and then install it. Irrespective of the method you use, it will be good. Do it to check other my videos on how to install this in your websites. Meanwhile, I believe that this particular video has helped you, has shown you how to create pixel in a personal ad account. Now, the challenge was that we could not create pixel from here in a personal ad account because of the recent update by Facebook. But now I have shown you a way you can go about it in creating your pixel. The only thing left here is that you need to continue to set up the pixel, and I believe in other videos you can discover that. So, do you have any question? Is there something pressing you? Is there any kind of video you want me to make? Do well to drop it in the comment section, and I will respond and make video related to that.
Hi, don't forget to share, like and share this video so that others can as well learn.